Hello everyone, welcome you to today's webinar. Myself Suraj. Today the webinar topic is Outstanding Management Solution with Busy. You know that we are conducting a webinars every week to highlight important features of Busy. I'm delighted to welcome you to today's webinar presentation on Outstanding Management Solutions with Busy. So we appreciate your presence here and we are excited to share valuable insights with you. Let us explore the outstanding management solution. We'll work with Busy. In between, if you have any query or questions, you can note down and you can ask me end of this session. We have a question and answer session. The session objectives are introduction about outstanding management solution in Busy, outstanding reports, different types of outstanding reports. Let us see. Payment reminder in Busy, the payment reminder feature in Busy, aging analysis reports in Busy, bill-wise receivable and payable reports in Busy, party-wise bill receivable and payable reports in Busy. Finally, we have a question and answer session. Okay. So what is outstanding management? Outstanding management is a critical feature providing a comprehensive report on Sundry debtors and Sundry creditors, offering visibility into all receivables and payables. This tool empowers users to efficiently track payments, monitor due dates of bills, and enhance overall financial oversight. So, outstanding management is a part of business because ultimately, suppose you are selling any goods to the customers or you are purchasing any goods from the suppliers, so that is called as Sundry debtor and Sundry creditor groups. On that time you have to follow the certain payments. Sometime you are having receivable amount also, sometime you are having payable amount also, that is called as outstanding. So in Busy software there is utility, there is an option available to manage your outstandings for your business. So that I can show you in detail in this webinar topic. Okay. So first of all, outstanding reports. There are different types of outstanding reports are available. The very important outstanding reports are accounts receivable, accounts payable. So receivable, this report will give you the clarity about how much amount wants to you have to be received from your customer side. And payable report, this report will give you the clarity about how much payment, how much amount you have to pay your vendor. That is called payable report. So these are the very two important reports. In Busy display section, you will be see the report. So I can show you by practically here. You can see the display section. Under the display section, you'll be having the option called outstanding analysis. So outstanding analysis, you will be getting this report called amount receivable. This one is amount receivable. This amount receivable report, you will be having three more filters: all account wise, group of account wise, selected account wise. Let us see one by one. All account wise, you can see all the party masters like this. So these are the parties, these are the customers. So that customers having this much outstanding, so that you can see able to see by this receivable report. Even you have the option to export also. Easily you can export from Excel sheet, Google sheet, PDF, etc. So just you can select the required data format, Excel, PDF, etc. Then you can export the file. The shortcut of export option is Alt E. So let me show you the PDF format here. So now you can see the PDF statement of outstanding. So in this way you can export the documents. Clear? After that you have certain type of filtering over there. So you can see the date, report date. You can select the report date over here. You can type the report date. Account to be shown by name wise, alias wise, print name wise. There may be three different options. If you selected name means, then party name will be going to displayed in a report, or print name means the party print name. The print name where you entered in a print name, party master. That print name will be considered for the report. And also you have the alias also. You can select the alias here. Then alias name will be comes into the report. So these are the report filterings. Apart from that, you have mobile number also. If you selected yes here, then mobile number also printed in your report. Similarly, apply filter on amount. So there is one filtering is there, especially specifically one filter is there that is called filter on amount. Here you can decide that on above 1 lakh rupees outstanding amount you want to see the report, or below 1 lakh rupees outstanding amount you want to see the report. So that time you will be having an option here, filter on amount. So now let me enter 1 lakh rupees here, 1 lakh rupees here, so that only below 1 lakh value, below 1 lakh value I have given. So that's the reason here I'm getting only below 1 lakh outstandings. If I want to see more than 1 lakh rupees outstanding, then I can select here more than symbol, then I can view the report. So this is the more than 1 lakh rupees outstanding. If any customer having more than 1 lakh rupees outstanding, then that report will become like this. So this type of filtering also there. Similarly, amount payable also I can show you amount payable report. So here also you will be have a 3 filters: all accounts, group of accounts, selected accounts. So first I can show you all accounts here. Same kind of filtering available here also. Then you can see the report like this. This is the amount payable all account wise. Now let us discuss about amount receivable group of account wise. So group of account wise means specific group you can select. Suppose the party group is belongs to debitors. Select the debitors party group, select the report date, and similarly account to be shown by mobile number. If you require, make it as yes. Apply filter on amount option is also there here. And if any reports notes you have been saved previously, that should be comes into the display if you enable this option. Otherwise you can disable also. If you enable this option, then if you are saved any particular notes and anything, that will be comes into the reports. Finally, that amount receivable group wise report will become like this. Some of the case what happened, the business entity will have two category customers, retail customers, wholesale customers, and they have been created two party groups here, retail and wholesale. So after that, if they wants to check the outstanding of wholesale customers, easily they can take the party group as wholesale, then able to check the report. So that is why this group wise report is helpful for them. Similarly, selected accounts, this report you can use for the use to check the any particular party account. For example, if you wants to check any particular party account called BB plus supermarts, then you can search the party name, select the account. Similarly, if you want to select any other party name, then you can search the party name here, and that party name will come here. So you can select the party and you can view the report. One or multiple also you can able to check for this report, selected accounts, selected option. So then you can view the receivable report. Similarly, these three filters are available in amount payable also, amount payable side also. Based on your requirement, you can view the report. This is all about amount receivable, account receivable and account payable reports. Move further. Our next slide, it is a payment reminder in busy. So the outstanding report that how to display the outstanding report that I shown you just now. So now let me show you how the payment reminder will work. See, in busy software we are able to integrate different types of communication platforms like WhatsApp, email, SMS, busy BNS application, etc. Right? So just you can integrate that configuration with busy, and directly you can send the reminder to your customers. How it is work, let me show you. So here you have an option called print email SMS option. Print email SMS option. Under the print email SMS option, you'll be having option called outstanding analysis. And under that, you will be having option called payment reminder. Using this payment reminder option, you'll be having a three filters over there: balance only, pending bills, due bills. Select the required report. Suppose if I selected balance only report, again I'll be have a four more filters: one party, group of party, all party, selected party. Here let me select one party. Then I can select the party name in a list. This is the party name. Also, you can type the report date over there. Next, you can have an option of print, preview, export, email, SMS, BNS. Now, let me email first. So just I can click the email option. You'll be getting this type of screen or in front of you, and you can type the customer mail ID. if you have been saved customer mail ID in party master, then automatically that mail ID will come here. No need to type it again. So you can type the mail ID, and if you wants to add any CC, BCC, etc., you can add it over here. Attachment, if you have any attachment, then you can select the attachment. In this way, you can select the attachment. Also, you have the option called header footer option. Then you can send it. So now the email has been successfully sent, right? So once you send the email, you can check the inbox. That email will become like this: Dear sir or madam, greetings of the day, thanks and regards. I have composed this much message itself. If you compose some more sentences, more words, then it should be go like that. So this is the email payment reminder, and you can see the attachment also to BB Plus Supermarkets from the company name. Payment reminder messages: Dear sir or madam, your balance amount payable to us on 1/9/2023 is 93,972. 1/9/2023. Why it is coming? Because I have selected the report date as 1/9/23. And kindly arrange to clear our payment at earliest convenience with due regards, so and so company. So this type of payment reminder statement will be sent to on their email address. So this is how the payment reminder will work. Similarly, I can show you how the SMS will be going to the customers. So you can see the SMS option here. So later you can select the SMS option. Here you have two types of option: SMS also there and WhatsApp also there. First I can show you SMS. Here let me add on mobile number. So I can add on mobile number and I can send the SMS. Now the SMS has been successfully sent. So in this way you can send the SMS, or you can send the WhatsApp also. To send the WhatsApp, you can select the SMS API WhatsApp here. Then you can add the mobile number and you can send the, if you want to change the body of the text, you can change it over here. You'll be have an option. You can just type the required message content, then you can send it. So in this way, the message has to be going to the customers as a reminder. So after that, they can read the message and they can make the payment. So for payment follow-up purpose and payment reminder purpose, sorry, payment follow-up purpose, this feature is very much helpful for your businesses. So that feature will be work like this. Later, you have option of busy BNS also. If you have a busy BNS application with your busy software, you have integrated that application, then easily you can share the payment reminder content to your customers also. That is also very useful application, busy BNS, busy business notification services. You can use this feature also. Just you can click on the send button on their mobile number. Immediately they can receive the notification reminder as reminder. So this is called as payment reminder. So let us move further. Our next point, aging analysis report. So aging analysis report is very important. Okay. So why? Because if you want to analyze the party outstanding as a age wise, 0 to 30 days, 30 to 60 days, like that, then this report is very much required. And before explaining this report, let me clarify you some more information about the outstanding adjustment. See, the outstanding adjustment, this feature will be work on the basis of two types: on account adjustments as well as the bill by bill adjustment. On account adjustment, it's nothing but the transaction that are applied to a customer's or a vendor's account. Suppose if you are collecting the money from your client, customer or clients, then that amount will be adjusted on the customer ledger, not for the bill. That is called as on account adjustment. Similarly, for the bill by bill adjustment, so bill by bill adjustment, it is nothing but if you are collecting any money from your customer, so then that amount will be adjusted ledger account as well as the bill also. So in future, if you want to check the report, if this bill has been received or not, then bill by bill feature is required. Otherwise, suppose if you enable the on account adjustment mechanism with busy, you cannot able to track the bills. So it's very difficult. So that is the reason bill by bill adjustment is required. So let me show you how to enable the bill by bill adjustment first. First, you need to enable the feature under the feature and options menu, accounts tab. Under that, you will be have an option called bill by bill details. You should enable this feature. You should enable this feature. Then you can save it. Once you enable the configuration feature, then you come to the party master creation option. Under the master menu, you'll be have an account option. Under the account option, you're having an option called party creation, right? So let me create one party master over here. Party name is Delta Electronics. This is the party, and the party belongs to the creditor, debitor groups or creditor groups, whatever you want, you can select. Also, you will be have an option called credit limit. This is also very important part of outstanding management process. Why? Because suppose any of the customer you want to fix the credit limit 45 days or else 10,000 rupees credit limit, like that, then this feature will help you. So here you will have a credit limit functionality under the ledger creation time. So here you can define the value. For this customer, I need to give only 10,000 rupees outstanding or credit, not outstanding, it's a credit. This word will be correct. This customer you'll be able to give only 10,000 rupees credit. More than that, you cannot able to give. If you given more than that, then the software will warn you. Software will have the warning feature, right? So in this way, you can fix the credit limit. After that, you can see the bill by bill balancing option. Here you can enable the bill by bill balancing option. This feature will work based on the party. If this party you wants to manage bill by bill, then you can enable, otherwise you can disable. Party wise also you can able to manage bill by bill adjustments. So here will be have a bill by bill adjustments feature. And next you will be have a credit days. Suppose you wants to fix the credit days for a party more than 45 days, more than 45 days. If the customer not paid, not cleared their outstanding, then next time you cannot able to sold the product. If you try to sell the product, then the software will block you. The software cannot allows you to complete your transaction. That is the purpose of credit days management. Here you can see the credit days. These also very important feature for the outstanding management purpose. So you can decide that how much outstanding credit days you wants to give for the customer. On that basis, you can configure, you can specify the value over here, right? So after doing this certain configurations in a party master, then the feature is ready to use. You can punch the transaction. Suppose I'm adding on sales voucher here, on the date of 1st of April. Okay, 1st of April, I am adding on voucher for the party name called Delta Electronics. This is the party, and I can add one item here, handbag for women's, 100 numbers. The total value is 85,000. Next, I can apply the GST, and while I saving the transaction, the software will warn you that account Delta Electronics is exceeding its credit limit. So I have mentioned in a party master for the credit limit of 10,000 rupees, but here it is a value of 85,000. So this is the warning message you will be received in front of you, so that the billing operator or busy operator, they can able to understand that how much credit limit they have. So this is the beautiful feature we have given here, credit limit management feature, right? So if you wish to continue the process, continue the billing, then you can just press yes here and continue. Otherwise you can press on no button and you can exit the transaction screen. So this feature is available. So after entering the transaction, once you try to save the voucher, then you'll be getting this type of bill by bill adjustment screen. Here you'll be have a option to create a narrations, new reference numbers, amount, due date, etc. For example, this is your sales, right? The sales transaction reference number you can create. Usually the sales transaction reference number, that OMS 016, it should be considered as bill number only. What is the bill number you are punching for the customer, that bill number will be considered for the bill by bill adjustment reference. Otherwise you have option to change the bill by bill reference over there. So you can change the bill reference by manually also, that is also possible. And also you can see the due date. So 16th 5 2023. Why it is showing 16? Because I have given 45 days credit limit, credit late, not limit, credit days, 45 days credit days for them. That is the reason the due date is coming automatically. This is how the bill by bill management and the credit days will be calculated for the software by itself. So this is how the calculation will take place. And after that, you can see the bottom of the screen. There will be have a pick full reference amount for adjustment. So this is not used for the sales transaction, but this is used for the payment receipt transaction. Bottom of that, you'll be have a split reference option. What is this split reference option? So assume that you are a mobile shop, you are having a mobile shop. The customer was visited in your shop and they have purchased on Samsung Galaxy mobile phone. Later they can said they're said asking that, sir, you have a EMI option. Then shopkeeper said that, yes, sir, we have that. We have that. Then they said that, sir, now I can pay you 2,000 rupees, and remaining I'm paying by EMI basis. Then shop person said that, okay, how much time you want? They said that 6 month time. So then the 6 month time they said that, so that is the reason they're splitting their references. How they split? You can see here. So number of references means 6, right? So the final, the mobile value is, for example, 1 lakh rupees. Now the value I am adding the one purchase voucher, sale voucher, na? So here the value is 1 lakh rupees. On that basis, I am splitting the numbers, splitting the value. So I need 6 references here. So that is the reason I have mentioned 6 references. Monthly basis, quarterly basis, also you can configure. Even you have the specified option. Specified option means party said that, sir, this month I am paying 2,000, and next month I am paying 25,000, and third month I am paying 20,000, fourth month I am paying 50,000. Like that, their approach to the shopkeeper. Then the as specified option will be help you. Otherwise, you can go for the monthly option. So if you selected the monthly option, then after the splitting, the 6 references will be created by automatically. You can see the 6 references, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the value also splitted automatically. 16,716, 16,716.67 paisa. So later, if they did the payment, then the billing operator or the busy operator, he can be adjusted the particular received amount through this reference voucher. So he can adjust the collected amount on this reference number against this reference numbers. This is how the outstanding collection will be work on the in the case of EMI scenario, right? So this feature also included in this particular window. You will be have an option called split reference, very useful feature. So next you can save this voucher. So this is how the billable references will be created, and you can split the billable references. Next, I'll come to my PPT slide itself. Here I can explain you how the aging analysis reports will work. The aging analysis report, it should be comes under the display outstanding analysis report, and you'll be have a aging receivable FIFO basis. Similarly, aging payable FIFO basis. Payable as well as receivable, both the report it should be available here. If you want to see the aging receivable report, then you can select this report and you can view the report based on your requirement. Here you'll be have a multiple types of filterings. One account means you will be have a option to check only one single party. For example, this is the party, and you can select the starting date, ending date, etc. And here you will be have a aging basis also. Due date wise you can check, or bill date wise also you can check. Due date wise if you want to check, then you can specify the code D for due date, B for bill date. And also you have the option to filter the report on the basis of date range wise. Even you have the option of on account amount and ledger balance also. So based on your requirement, will be have option certain type of different type of filtering over there. So later you can view the report. Once you view the report, then that report will become like this. Here you can see the OPB 01 reference number. It's opening balance, and date is 1/2/2023. Due date is 16/4/2023. This is the total amount, and the pending amount, the collection amount, the pending is showing that 5,000 rupees, and the 5,000 rupees collection pending amount, it should be comes under the it should be falling under the 121 to 150 days range, because the sale has been done, I think 1st of February 2023, 23 February, and totally how many days it should be completed? 121 to 150 days has been completed. That is why the slab is falling under, the amount is falling under the slab 121 to 150 range. Similarly, below you can see that the second transaction, this transaction has been done on the date of 1st of April. the value will be 68,676, and the transaction is also falling under the 121 to 150 date range, right? So similarly, you can see bottom of the third transaction, final transaction, that is called done. The transaction was done 1st of August, and the transaction is falling under the 0 to 30 days. So in this way, you can able to view the report. Okay, in this way you can view the report. Why it is showing August? Why it is showing in a 30-day slab? Why? Because here I am selecting the date as October. If I selected today's date, 15th of 12, then that should be considered for our aging analysis purpose. Now you can see. Now the 20,296 rupees amount, it is falling under the 91 days to 120 days slab. Before that, it was showing in a 0 to 30 days slab. So as per your certain date range, what is the rate range you are giving? So on that basis, you can able to check the report. Clear? So this is called aging analysis report. The aging analysis report will be available for different types of filterings, like a group of accounts. If you want to see the particular party account, party group account, Sundry, debtor or creditor, you can select that group and specify the correct date range. Sometimes the user is specifying the wrong date range, then you'll be not able to understand the report. So that is the reason you have to mention the correct date over here. So after that, you can view the report. One more important thing here is the slab generation, slab creation, not a generation, creation. So 0 to 30 days, 31 to 60, 61 to 90. This slab will be created by your own requirement. That feature is available under the administration configuration. Here will be have an option called aging analysis time slabs. Go to the aging analysis time slab and you can select the account option, and here you will be have a slab creation 0 to 30. Suppose you want 0 to 90, then you can make it as 0 to 90 and 90 to 180. So in this way also you can change the slabs. After changing here, that should be available for your, once again, 0 to 20 I can take here, 21 to 60. I change the slab. Next, you come back to the outstanding analysis report, aging receivable or aging payable report. You can go. Now let me select the all account filter. You can see the aging 0 to 20. Previously, it was showing that 0 to 30 days. Now it is coming 0 to 20 days because of I changed the configuration. This is how the aging slab creation will be done through the Busy software configuration panel. Similarly, you will be have an option called selected account. In this feature, in this option, you'll be have an option to select the required account names. Only 3 accounts you want to see, or only 1 account you want to see. So then you can see this selected accounts report. So you'll be have option. Selected group also there. You'll be have an option to select multiple groups. For example, Sundry creditors, Sundry debtors. So in this way, you can select multiple party account group and you can view the report. So this is how the receivable report will work. So this is the aging analysis receivable report. In this report, you'll be have option to see the report on the basis of aging, age-wise. But here you'll be another report is that is called aging receivable PIPO basis. What is PIPO basis? PIPO means first in, first out. First in, first out basis. So normally that report will be classified into the amount receivable. The amount receivable amount will be classified into the according to the various time slabs. That is a first in, first out manner, right? So, but in a receivable report, what happened? That also similar. That amount will be classified into different time slab. But this particular PIPO basis report, you'll be have a party wise, party group wise option. Party wise, party group wise option. But in receivable report, you'll be have a filtering like this: on account, group of account, all accounts, selected account, like that. So even if you open the report, then you'll be have a closing amount option here. PIPO basis report, you'll be have a closing amount option, and after that you'll be have a aging slabs. So this is the difference, slight difference between the aging receivable and the aging receivable PIPO basis reports. Through this report, you can able to analyze the customer's spending amount on the basis of age wise. Next, we will discuss about bill wise payable and receivable report. So any customer, if they're having some outstanding, they're not paid the outstanding, then through this report, you can able to understand that which bill is pending. If any bill is pending, and if any bill is the due date is reached, then it should be highlighted in red color. So that is the report available, bill receivable report. In this report also, you will be have a multiple types of filters: one account, group of account, all account, selected account, like this. So let me select all account report. Under that, you'll be have a two more options: bill wise combined option. It's a combined way of report. Bill wise, you can see the combined report, and also you will be have a summary report. Summary, it can show you only the figure of the value. So let me show you first bill wise report. In this bill wise report, you'll be have a different types of filters. You can select only due bills, or you can select only the pending bills, or you can treat as all bills including clear bills. So this type of filters are there. Starting date, ending date, you'll be defined here: 1/4/2023 to today's date 15/12/2023. After that, sort by party. If you want to sort on party wise, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, like that, you can sort by party. Consider the bills older than 45 days, 50 days, 60 days. That day you can define here. So after that, the report will be displayed on that day wise, older than 45 days. And even you have the option of bill adjustment details. So bill adjustment details, the option you have, you can enable this one. Bill payable, if you want to include, you can enable this one. Apply the filter on amount. This one we have discussed already. So you want to filter the amount value, you can filter it. More than 1 lakh rupees bill value wants to see, below 1 lakh rupees value wants to see, more than 10,000 rupees value wants to see in a report. That you can decide, and you can do the filter here. Mobile number, party mobile number, if you want, you can enable here. Narration, anything might be, sometime there may be some narrations, so you can enable the narration option here. Even you have the option to view the notes also. Sometime if you're entering the voucher, there may be some notes, right? Notes or some data entries, right? So that it should be comes in your report. Also, you have the due date wise report viewing option: D for due date and B for bill date. So required on your requirement, you can decide that which date you wants to consider: B for bill date and D for due date. Later you can view the report, and that report will become like this. Here you can see the account name BB plus Supermarts. They are having the opening balance outstanding value as 10,000 rupees. Sorry, 10,000 value, but 5,000 was pending amount. And the bottom second line, you can see that another sale has been done, and the value is 68,676 rupees. The final value, it is 73,676. This is the final outstanding amount for the BB plus Supermarkets. And the due dates also, it is coming to 43 days for first opening balance, that outstanding. Opening balance, it is nothing but previous year value, previous year pending amount, that is treated as a opening balance. 228 days due date will be happened for the second bill, that is called 68,676 rupees value bill. So this is how the due dates you can check, able to check from here. And next, you can see the Delta Electronics. Delta Electronics customer, he having this many outstanding. The first reference is 16,716, and the bill has been done on the date of 1st of April. 1st of April, and the aging was showing that 213 days. Why it is showing 213 days? Because the bill was done 1/4/2023. So today it is showing 213 due days. Second narration, you can see that is 1/4/2023. The bill was done, and remember that when I'm making the bill, I have splitted the references. 6 references was created, so that 6 references is come showing here. Suppose if I received some bill first reference 16,716 rupees amount for them, so then how I adjust? So that also I can show you. So before that, I thought that you'll be understand this bill receivable report, how to see the bill receivable report and why it is showing red color. Why it is showing red color? Because of due days will be crossed. If the due days will be exceeded, then it should be treated, it should be shown in a red color. So now let me show you how to adjust the amount as a bill by bill adjustment reference, how to adjust the amount with the bill by bill adjustment. So that you should adjust with the help of receipt voucher. Why it is receipt voucher? Because whenever you are collecting the money from your customer or anybody, you should use the receipt voucher feature. So you can add the receipt voucher. So you assume that today you are collecting the money from them, and here you can select the party name. Party name is Delta Electronics. How much amount? For example, assume that 18,000 have been received, 18,000 rupees. After adding the amount, bill by bill reference window will appear. Here you should adjust the value 16,716. This is the reference I was created earlier. That is coming in drop down list. I can select the reference over here. You can see the due date. The due date will be 16th of May, but the payment was received from today. So now I am adjusted that amount, and the remaining some extra amount I was adjusted for my I adjusted my another bill value. For example, I was adjusted another amount. One second, let me just remove first, and I can add it once again. Adjustment. So I can able to see the drop down in front of me. So here you can see the second reference number OMS 016/2. Remaining amount, how much amount it was remaining? 1283 rupees 0.35 paisa. That amount I am going to adjust my second reference OMS 0162 reference, right? In this way you can adjust the amount, whatever the amount you are collected from your customer. So on that you can adjust like this. So then only you will be able to understand that how much bill has been cleared, how much bill has been pending, so that you can easily communicate with your client. So you can easily tell them that, sir, your bill number, so and so bill number is still pending, so kindly make a payment earliest. So then only you can, it's possible. If you are managing the account management or a payment adjustment with the help of on account entries, then it is very difficult. So if you are managing on account management process, then if any customer is asking that, sir, what is my so and so bill number status, then you cannot able to answer properly, because you don't have any reference creation, you don't have any reference management in Busy. So that is why the bill by bill reference feature will help you. So after that, you can adjust the 18,000 rupees in cash. Debit side, you can select it as cash, or a debit side, you can select it as bank ledger. This is how the receipt voucher has been entered by us. After adding the receipt voucher, you should come back again in a outstanding analysis report, bill receivable report. Here I can select the party account called Delta Electronics, and here I can change the date of 15th of 12 2000. Otherwise I can add it as 1/4/2023. Here I can add it as, here I can specify 15th of December 2020, today's date. Then you can see the report here. I am seeing only one particular party account, so that is coming like this. Here you can see the adjustment also. So now the reference was adjusted, so that is the reason it is showing in a blue color. If it is not adjusted, the due bill will be exceeded, due date will be exceeded, then it should be comes in a red color. It should be highlighted in a red color. So now how many outstanding I have? 82,300 rupees I have. Total bill value is 1,300,000. You can see the bottom of the screen. Total outstanding is 1,300,000. In that I have received 82,300 rupees. Remaining, in that I have received 18,000 rupees. Remaining balance 82,300 rupees still remains. This is how the bill receivable report it will work. Similarly, you will have a bill receivable PIPO basis report also. First in, first out basis. First in, first out basis also you can see. So you can see the opening balance, sale value, and final amount. So in this way, you can see the PIPO basis. So this is how the bill report it will be shown. Similarly for payable side also. how we check the report in a receivable way, receivable scenario. Similarly, you can able to see the payable also, bill payable, amount payable, bill payable, PIPO basis, etc., aging payable, etc. So this is how the payable reports will work. Payable and receivable report, bill wise it is. So moving further, let us discuss the party wise bills payable and receivable report. The party wise bills and payable reports I already shown you. So I can show you once again. The party wise report, it should be available under the amount receivable and bill receivable. Both the report will be have that option. Party wise, you can able to see one account, all account, selected account, like that. If you want to see any particular party called Delta Electronics statement or outstanding summary, you can select the party name and you can view the report. Only one party account you will be able to see on this manner. Similarly, in bill receivable report also, you'll be have option called party wise checking option. For that, you can select the one account option. Here you can type the party name, select the required date range, then you can view the report. So the bill wise receivable report will become in detail. So how much it is pending, how much references has been adjusted, what will be the due days, and everything it should become here. Okay. So this is how the bill receivable and amount receivable report will be worked on the basis of party wise. So this is all about today's webinar topic and today's webinar related information. If you have any queries, so feel free to reach out our customer care helpline number 24 into 7 helpline number 8282828282. Our email ID is support@busy.in. We're available with email support also. You can reach with us. So thank you so much for joining this today's webinar session. Thank you for your kind attention. So